course we are going to do two things. First, the course name. We want to edit the course name. Then we want to put the course banner here, and then instruction for the student. So first you need to turn on the editing. I have already done. So click here. Yes, click here, edit. Here, suppose the course name is same this one, examination, and then you click here, choose the file, recent, it's undergraduate program. By default it is at 60. Click on no description required. So this is here. Okay. So here we have the banner, course name, banner, announcement, and then we need to put some instructions. So I'm adding some instruction. You go here, then click on label, click here, and here you can put the instructions. For example, the course is made for this. You have to look at all the contents, and then the contact person, your name, the name plus your email address. Suppose students, if they have any query, they can contact. But you can also add some instructions here, like all the modules are necessary. You have to go through all the content for the marking purpose. You can write everything here, and you don't have to put the instruction again, restriction, sorry. So here you can see the contact person, the instruction, how can they do the course from topic 1 to topic 7 if you have 13 weeks, week 1 to week 7. So that's how you can create that heading here. You can change the heading of your course, including your course code, name, and then banner, announcement, and then you have some instructions. Suppose the announcement you want here, then you can put it here, drag and drop. I want like this one. So three things, this, and this. That's all for this tutorial. Thank you.